Before the first light of dawn touches the horizon, a hidden industrial world of farming is already in motion. Across vast landscapes in the United States, powerful agricultural machines begin their daily operations. Engines start quietly in the cold morning air. Headlights cut through the mist, and long rows of almond trees stand ready for another cycle of production. This is not the small-scale farming of the past. This is modern agriculture, engineered for efficiency, precision, and global demand. Each year, millions of tons of almonds are cultivated, processed, and transported across continents, becoming an essential part of the international food system. The journey into this highly organized agricultural universe begins in the almond orchards of California's Central Valley, one of the most productive farming regions on Earth. Stretching for hundreds of kilometers, almond orchards dominate the landscape. Perfectly aligned rows of trees create geometric patterns that extend far beyond the visible horizon. What appears at first glance to be a natural environment is in reality the result of decades of scientific planning, environmental adaptation, and technological innovation. Much of this land was once considered semi-arid and unsuitable for large-scale cultivation. Through the development of advanced irrigation infrastructure, soil management techniques, and careful crop selection, these challenging environments have been transformed into thriving agricultural zones. Almond trees flourish here due to a delicate balance between climate and human intervention. Mild winters allow the trees to enter a necessary dormancy phase, conserving energy for the upcoming growing season. Long dry summers reduce the spread of fungal diseases and create ideal conditions for nut development. Water management remains one of the most critical aspects of almond farming in this region. To address limited natural rainfall, farmers rely on highly efficient drip irrigation systems that deliver precise amounts of water directly to the root zones. This targeted approach minimizes evaporation losses and supports sustainable resource use. Beneath the soil surface, digital sensors continuously monitor moisture levels, temperature, and nutrient composition. The collected data is transmitted in real time to central management systems, enabling farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation schedules and fertilizer applications. Traditional agricultural experience is now complemented by advanced data analysis, creating a new model of precision farming. As winter transitions into spring, almond orchards undergo a remarkable transformation. Millions of delicate blossoms emerge almost simultaneously, covering the trees in soft shades of white and pale pink. This brief flowering period is one of the most critical stages in the production cycle. Pollination determines the future success of the harvest. To support this natural process, beekeepers transport thousands of honeybee colonies into the orchards. The interaction between biological ecosystems and industrial planning becomes clearly visible during this time. Without the coordinated movement of pollinators, large-scale almond production would not be possible. Throughout the growing season, orchard management follows a systematic and carefully monitored routine. Trees are pruned to maintain optimal canopy structures, allowing sunlight penetration and sufficient airflow. These practices reduce disease risks while supporting uniform nut development. Modern technologies such as drones and satellite imaging provide aerial perspectives of the orchards. Variations in plant health, irrigation, performance, or pest activity can be identified early, allowing timely intervention. Agriculture is increasingly guided not only by physical labor, but by observation, measurement, and predictive analysis. As the months progress and almonds reach maturity, preparations for harvest begin. The atmosphere within the orchards changes noticeably. Large mechanical shakers move methodically between the tree rows, gripping the trunks and releasing powerful vibrations. Within seconds, thousands of ripe almonds fall onto the dry ground below. Following this stage, sweeping machines organize the fallen nuts into long windrows. Collection equipment then gathers and transfers the crop into transport vehicles destined for processing facilities. These operations demonstrate the remarkable efficiency of modern mechanized farming tasks that once required large teams of workers can now be completed rapidly with minimal labor. After leaving the orchards, almonds enter an extensive network of industrial processing centers. Here they undergo cleaning, hulling, drying, sorting, and packaging. Strict quality control measures ensure that the final product meets international standards for export. From local farms, almonds are distributed through complex global trade routes. They become ingredients in confectionery, dairy alternatives, health foods, and culinary traditions around the world. This transformation from raw agricultural produce to globally traded commodity highlights the interconnected nature of modern food systems. Yet the story of almond farming is not only about productivity and technological advancement, it also reflects the ongoing challenges faced by contemporary agriculture. Water scarcity, environmental sustainability, and climate variability continue to shape the future of this industry. Modern science has transformed agriculture into a powerful and highly efficient system. Advanced technology now reduces human labor, while enabling farms to produce food on an unprecedented scale. Yet the future of agriculture depends on more than machines and data. It relies on the protection of natural ecosystems, the responsible use of water, and the collective awareness of society. Forests, soil, and climate are not distant environmental concerns. They are the very foundations that sustain global food production. Without them, even the most advanced innovations may fail. As almond orchards stretch across vast landscapes under the setting sun, they remind us of a simple truth. The success of modern farming is not only shaped by technology, but by the choices we make to protect the planet we all share.